looking for AC installation and replacement in Ardrossan. At Kingstree Plumbing, we know how important it is to stay cool during the hot summer months. Our AC installation and replacement services are designed to keep your home or business comfortable with energy-efficient solutions that help lower your cooling costs. Whether you need to replace an old unit or install a new system, our expert technicians ensure the job is done right. In Ardrossan, where temperatures can soar, it's essential to have an AC that works efficiently year-round. Choose Kingstree Plumbing for fast professional service. We provide same-day installations with no hidden fees, just reliable cooling solutions. Keep watching to see why Kingstree Plumbing is the trusted choice for AC installation and replacement in Ardrossan.